Hi everyone, so I am trying to upgrade my cable, power cable. This is the current power cable that I'm having. This cable is free when I purchased the NAD 326 BEE, right? So I don't think this cable is thick. I suspect maybe it's 16 AWG or even maybe thinner. Okay, so I've been using this cable for more than 10 years. So I just purchased a thicker cable from Taobao, I think, through the Lazada Malaysia. So this is a way bigger cable, and this is not the authentic original cable. This is the one that I just pick up from Taobao. I think what brand is this? It's Furukawa Electric, but I don't think this is original because I only spent around maybe less than 10 US dollar, right? It's around 23 ringgit Malaysia, okay? But it's thick, and yeah, when I got this table, I think the first thing I do is to check the connectivity. So I have clamp meter here. So what I did was I choose to this checking the connectivity. Normally you select to this symbol, right? I'm not an electrician, I'm not the electrical engineer, so I'm not expert in this. But I know this is one of the way you can check if there's any short circuit or anything. So you can hear that when I touch two right probe together, it can detect the short circuit, right? So meaning that if I touch the cable at the same color, so it should create the same sound, right? For example, you see when I touch the brown color here, the brown color here should have the sound. Yeah, not the other color, right? So meaning that the brown is working and the blue. Okay. Is it blue? And finally the green. Okay, meaning this cable is safe, and that's basically this cable has shielded. So let me try to touch the shield whether it's detecting the shield is connecting or not. When I touch the cable, okay, when I touch the cable, it doesn't make any noise. When I touch the shield, it's making noise. So basically, this cable is safe to use. There's no short circuit or there's no damage on the cable. So this cable is not really expensive. The more expensive is the connector. So I bought this from Taobao also, Taobao China, and each of these is costing around, I think same price, 20 over ringgit, maybe probably at 8 US dollar, right? Or 7 US dollar, or even less, right? But I can tell you this is good quality because it's heavy. Furutech, right? I actually purchased one which is silver plated, but I prefer to be gold plated or copper plated. So I bought this one that is copper plated. I think this is gold plated, right? And this will go into here. Okay. The quality of this thing is quite good, right? Furutech, right? I think original, if I purchase original, this will be costing around 300 ringgit or around $80 probably. Yeah. So yeah, it's good quality. Probably I can unscrew a little bit and show you the construction inside. Yeah, it's tight. It's a bit tight. Okay, it's very tight. Okay, the one that I purchased, the chrome or the silver, I think the silver plated, right? That one is quite good. From the same seller. Okay, After connecting it to my CD player, I think there's slight improvement in terms of the sound. More brighter, not brighter, but clearer. Okay, you can see this is how it looks from the inside. Okay, I think this is earth, right? Earth. So to use this, you have to go in and unscrew it, and I think the area that to catch the cable is pretty big, like a very big area. So I think it's quite suitable for big cable like this. Okay, I think it's pretty good quality. And there's a iron core here that will eliminate or reduce the noise, which is good, which I like it very much. Okay, it's pretty heavy, so yeah, pretty worth it. So I'll upgrade this cable, and then later maybe I'll share with you how is my experience, whether do I hear any difference or it's just a waste of money, right? But yeah, added up in this is even less than $30, right? Less than 30, maybe $20. Yeah, so $20 upgrade probably is worth it. So I'll install it later. I'll share with you guys what's my experience. Okay, thanks guys. Bye. Hey guys, just want to share, it took me 30 minutes to install this. Okay, you just have to follow the color coding. So I cut around 1 inch. Okay, around 1 inch. And also maybe 1/4 inch for the wire to be exposed, and then screw it in. It's easy, and the shielded wire connect to the ground. So I use the meter to check the ground to ground is making the right sound, the neutral to neutral, and then live to live. Okay, it's working right now, so probably I'll share with you once I tested the cable. Bye.